Welcome to all. So in this video, let us discuss about Unix commands. So first, let me share my screen. We have Unix and shell script commands in which we are going to deal about Unix commands. So by completing this module, we will be in the position to learn about general purpose, file manipulation, text processing, printing, network and communication, compression and decompression, process management, different commands. We will be learning how to do it. So first one manual command is there, man cat, like that. By doing it, we will be able to see the manual pages in this command. Next command is man -k in. So it deals with all in commands in that manual available. So the next command is to display all the pages with the string containing cat. I can display like this. So there is one more command called present working directory or print working directory. We can make it up so that it will give the path where you are standing in your Unix prompt. So ls is list command. ls -a, it will give even including hidden things, it will be giving it. So in displaying a long listing ASCII key command, if I say ls -l, then d or w hyphen r hyphen xr w x, like that, it shows first one. D stands for directory. If it is blank, it may be a file. And then read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute, like that. Three things will be given. One is for self, another one is for group, another one is for others. We'll be able to see these things. So when you go for with the option of -t, we will be able to see it. And then to create a user directories, mkdir space test d1, like that, if I give, it will be creating the directory. mkdir test d2 space test d3, like that. Multiple directories can be created in one command. How to remove the command? Remove the directories. rmdir test d1, one directory is deleted. rmdir test d2 test d3, like that, if you give, multiple directories will be getting deleted. So that let us go back to the initial command and we will come one by one. So now let me go to my Unix prompt. So let us open Webminal. In Webminal, in how we are able to register it, already I have given. It's very simple. Click on this register in webminal.org. It will ask your username and email ID and password. You appropriately supply the things. Then one mail will be popped up to your mailbox, so that from there authenticate it. Then you will be able to use with your user created and password. Let me give my username, what it is there, Manoharan 829, and password I'll give it, so that by doing it, I'm able to enter into my Webminal. You have logged in, like that it says. So prompt -terminal, click on this tab. It will take you to login page. Once again, you give your username, Manoharan 829, I gave. Password, you supply it. By supplying your password, it will be taking you to dollar prompt. So now in the dollar prompt, you have multiple things, so that let us go one by one. Now man cat command, let us give it, so that man cat command I will give it. So manual for all the cat labs, it is appearing. If I click on H, it will be displaying help pages. If I am clicking on Q, it will quit from there and it will be back. So that there are multiple other commands also there. Man space -k in command you can give it, and check for your manual pages which containing a word in. So that if you wanted to see display the pages containing string cat, then man -a cat, like that command you will be supplying it. So that let me give man -a cat, like that, all containing cat, so that it will be popping up to you as shown in the screen. Let me quit, so that the next page is PWD, present working directory or print working directory. So that if I wanted to look into my present working directory, it very clearly shows /home /Manoharan 829 it gives. So that now let me check by command giving ls. Ls is list, so that one directory is popping up, Manohar, like that, one directory in blue color, you can see it. If I call that directory cd Manohar, then I am inside the directory Manohar. So that now if I am listing it, or if I am saying present working directory, if I am watching it, I will be able to see it home Manoharan 829 Manohar, like that you will be able to see it. So that now how to make a directory, already we have seen in the prompt. So before that, any other commands are there, we can give it and test it. So ls command already we have made. Ls -a is hidden directories also will be given. So now ls -l will give you whether it is a directory or it is file, read, write, execute permission, it will be giving it. So that let us see it. So that ls long list, if I give it, there is no such command. So that my hyphen I should have been given. So that ls -l, let me give it, so that it gives totally there is 0 files, like that it shows there's nothing is there. So let me create some directories. mkdir is a command for creating a directory. So that let me create test d1 directory first. So that let me list it and check it. Test d1, like that it comes. Now if you wanted to get the previous command, up arrow key you can press, so that it will give the previous command. Let me get my previous command in the third step, which is there, by pressing up arrow key and ls -l, I am getting it. Let me enter it. See that now I am very clearly able to see it. D stands for directory. Read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute, like that it is there. So for others, writing permission is denied. Other than that, all the permissions are given into this test d1 directory. Now let me create, if I wanted to clear the screen, clear space screen, like that if I give, it will be clearing the screen. Let me make dir test dir 2 space test D3, like that, multiple directories. Let me create it. Yes, I am able to create it. Let me get ls command minus L. Let me give it so that it is also having same permissions. Read, write, execute, and read command it is there, but write command is not there. Execute command also it is existing for D1, D2, D3 directories as shown above. So now let us learn how we can. Already we have seen how to create a directory, make directory test D1 for single directory to create, make directory test D2 space test D3, like that. When you give, multiple directories got created, so that rmdir space test D1, it will delete the D1 test D1 directory, so that let us give these commands also and test it. So that let me first give rm space test, remove directory rmdir command has to be given, space test D1, like that I am giving it. So if command successfully executes, it doesn't prompt anything. But if I wanted to test it by ls and see it, I'll be able to see it. D1, D2 and D3 are existing. So let me get the old command, so that test 3 and test 2 direct, test D3 and test dir 2, like that, two directories we have created, that is existing, but test D1 got removed. So that now I wanted to remove in one stroke these two directories, test D3 and test dir2. These both the directories in one stroke, I wanted to delete it. It is deleted. Let me check it with my command, so that there are 0 files existing in this. Now, if I wanted to come out of my Manoharan directory, cd ... if I give it, it will be coming out of it. Now I am in my $prompt. So that in today's class, we will stop at this point, and let us continue in the next session. So that thank you.